I'm Kesher with Rennline, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install our tow hook license plate mount. You're going to need a few tools to complete this job. A basic Allen wrench set and a 16mm wrench will do the job. So to get started, we have a little bit of setup we need to do. This is the actual base screw, and this is your ball end slider. Now this goes in and it's adjustable. So depending on your application, you're going to adjust this to clear your bumper. And then you're gonna tighten down this set screw right here. Now this is where you're gonna need a 3/16 Allen wrench, and just go ahead and tighten that down so that that doesn't move. Now that we've assembled the base mount, let's move over to the car. So today we're gonna be installing this on a Porsche 944 Turbo, but the installation process is gonna be the same for just about every application. To start out, we're gonna wanna just lubricate the actual tow hook receptacle just a little bit, and then a little bit on the actual threads. Now you're gonna notice when you start to thread this in that it'll start to feel like it's binding a little bit, and that's actually by design. We cut this out of a softer aluminum and it's gonna tighten up in there. That's the point of the lubrication. So go ahead and get your 16mm wrench and just carefully start to tighten that down. And you're gonna notice that there's light resistance the whole time, but it shouldn't feel like it's binding. And if it does, just kind of back it out and then go in and just work it in. And this is gonna make it so that that plate mount is not gonna loosen up at all. You'll notice if you thread in your OEM tow hook that that's actually very loose, and that wouldn't work out if you were holding a license plate. So just go in, back it out, go in, back it out, and just keep working it all the way in. Now just keep working it in there until you start to see it bottomed out. Now these two pieces are the clamps that are actually gonna go onto your ball mount. Place them over the ball and then use these two included hardware to clamp it down. Now, before you fully tighten this down, make sure to just hold up your plate and find your final placement, because this can be angled or even turned sideways depending on your needs. And once you're happy with it, go ahead and tighten it down. And you don't gotta go crazy on these. Now this here is the actual license plate backing plate, and this has a ton of different holes in it, so you can place it depending on your needs, up or down, and you can even flip it upside down to get higher up if you need that. Now go ahead and find these two small flush mounting bolts in the hardware kit. And we're gonna go for this nice central low mounting position for this 944. Final tightening. Now, once you have this plate mounted up, you can go ahead and actually adjust the plate angle even further to get it just right. Once you're happy with the positioning and you got everything secure, you can go ahead and put your plate on with the 4 included mounting screws. And a great addition to finish it all off is to grab yourself one of our Rennline license plate trim. And there you have it. That's how you install our tow hook license plate bracket. Now, if you like products like this, be sure to check us out at Rennline.com.